In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Python with Google Sheets. The goal is to add a tool called Python for Sheets to a Google spreadsheet. Then open it so you can start working with Python features inside Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheet. In this example, I am using a spreadsheet named Stock Watch List, but you can follow along in any spreadsheet you want. Once the sheet is open in your browser, look at the top menu bar and find Extensions. This is where Google Sheets keeps extra tools that are not built in by default. Click Extensions, then choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for and install add-ons for Sheets. In the search field, type Highlight. This helps you locate the correct add-on quickly. In the results, find Python for Sheets. Make sure you select the add-on with that exact name so you install the correct tool. Click Python for Sheets to open its listing. From here, you will install it. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. During install, Google may ask you to approve permissions so the add-on can run inside your spreadsheet. Read the prompts carefully, then continue until the installation finishes. Once it is installed, go back to your Spreadsheet tab, again the one named Stock Watch List in this walkthrough. If you do not immediately see the add-on in your menu, give the page a moment to update or refresh the spreadsheet so the Extensions menu reloads with the new option. Now click Extensions again. You should see Python for Sheets listed in the drop-down. Hover over or click it to open its options, then select Start. This launches the add-on inside your spreadsheet environment. After you start it, click Python for Sheets when it appears, which opens the Python for Sheets interface or sidebar. At this point, the add-on is active and ready to use within Google Sheets. You now have Python for Sheets installed and launched, and you can proceed to use its features directly alongside your spreadsheet data. That covers everything you need to know.